In today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit download speed in Firefox quickly and easily using a simple tool called NetLimiter. This is really useful if you want to control how much bandwidth Firefox uses, especially when you're streaming, gaming, downloading files, or just trying to keep your internet running smoothly for other apps. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for NetLimiter download. When the results appear, make sure you click the official website so you're downloading the correct and safest version of the software. Avoid random download pages and always stick to the official source whenever possible. Once you're on the official NetLimiter website, look for the download option and download the installer to your computer. After the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation prompts to install NetLimiter on your system. This should only take a minute or two depending on your computer. After NetLimiter is installed, open the program. You'll see a list of applications that are currently using the network. From this list, click on Firefox. This tells NetLimiter that you want to manage Firefox's internet usage specifically. Now, look for the Limit option next to Firefox. Click the box for Limit, and then choose the download speed you want to set. You can enter a lower speed if you want Firefox to use less bandwidth, or a higher speed if you just want to cap it slightly. Once you've selected the speed you want, click OK to apply the change. And that's it. Firefox will now be limited to the download speed you chose. This is a simple way to control browser bandwidth without affecting the rest of your computer too much. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.